You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in German from German. And yes, what does it mean? The meaning is sugar. How do you say sugar in German? If you want to learn more German, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's also a surname. Zucker. Zucker. Zucker, you could say in English, or Zucker in German. German pronunciation, Zucker. Zucker. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.